Imagine a massive star 20 times the size of our sun suddenly vanishing from the night sky without a trace. No explosion, no flash, just gone. This isn't science fiction. It's a real cosmic mystery that has baffled astronomers. Welcome to the enigma of the failed supernova. In the vast expanse of the universe, stars are born, live, and die in spectacular fashion. Most massive stars end their lives in a brilliant supernova explosion, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. However, in 2009, astronomers observed an event that defied this norm. A star in the NGC 6946 galaxy, known as N6946BH1, brightened dramatically, only to fade away without any accompanying supernova. By 2015, it had completely disappeared from optical observations, leaving behind only a faint infrared signature. This phenomenon, where a star collapses directly into a black hole without the expected explosive death, challenges our understanding of stellar evolution and has led to the concept of a failed supernova. The case of N6946BH1. N6946BH1 was a red supergiant star located approximately 20 million light-years away in the Fireworks Galaxy. In early 2009, it experienced a significant outburst, increasing its brightness by a factor of 1,000,000. This sudden flare-up suggested that the star was nearing the end of its life. However, instead of exploding into a supernova, the star began to fade. By 2015, the star had vanished from optical telescopes' view. While faint infrared emissions persisted, they were insufficient to indicate a typical supernova remnant. The absence of a supernova explosion led astronomers to propose that the star had collapsed directly into a black hole, bypassing the explosive death phase entirely. The Andromeda Galaxy's M31201 for DS1. A similar event occurred in the Andromeda Galaxy, approximately 2.5 million light-years away. In 2014, a massive star known as M31201 for DS1 began to brighten, indicating it was approaching the end of its life. However, instead of the expected supernova, the star began to dim in 2016 and had completely disappeared by 2023. Astronomers concluded that M31201 for DS1 had collapsed directly into a black hole without undergoing a supernova explosion. This event provided further evidence that some massive stars can end their lives quietly, without the dramatic outbursts traditionally associated with stellar death. Theoretical explanations. Several theories have been proposed to explain these failed supernovae. One possibility is that the stars underwent a process known as direct collapse. In this scenario, the star's core collapses directly into a black hole, while the outer layers are not ejected in a supernova explosion. This could occur if the star's outer layers were lost through intense stellar winds, or if the core's collapse was so rapid that it didn't allow time for an explosive event. Another theory suggests that the stars may have experienced a parent stability event. In this process, the star's core becomes unstable due to the production of electron-positron pairs, leading to a rapid loss of energy and a collapse into a black hole without a supernova explosion. Implications for stellar evolution. The discovery of failed supernova challenges existing models of stellar evolution. Traditionally, it was believed that all massive stars end their lives in supernova explosions. However, these recent observations suggest that some stars may bypass this phase entirely, collapsing directly into black holes. This has significant implications for our understanding of black hole formation and the role of massive stars in the evolution of galaxies. It also raises questions about the detectability of such events, as the absence of a supernova explosion makes these black holes more difficult to identify. Bonus tip: while the concept of failed supernova is still under investigation, it's important to note that not all stars end their lives in such dramatic fashion. Some stars, like our Sun, will eventually expand into red giants and shed their outer layers, leaving behind a dense core known as a white dwarf. Understanding the various pathways of stellar death helps astronomers piece together the life cycles of stars and their impact on the universe. If you found the mystery of the disappearing stars fascinating, imagine what other cosmic enigmas await discovery. Dive deeper into the universe's wonders by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow space enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing revelations about the cosmos. The phenomenon of failed supernova highlights the complexity and unpredictability of stellar evolution. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other astonishing phenomena await our discovery? Keep looking up and keep questioning the mysteries of the cosmos.